Set up na tayo mga ka-share. Fishing in Japan. Nasa North Dock po tayo mga ka-share. Try natin kung meron kaagat dito.
More! Ha ha ha! Help!
That's heavy.
Oh, dodge it!
Take a picture of this. So that's what we got tonight. At least not empty-handed. Video na ako para malibang.
You're gonna hear all the screaming in the background.
You're gonna have like
Just edit that bad boy.
It's okay. Might as well take a video. We're waiting for Kamakura fireworks and see a lot of people. Later we're just gonna see the fireworks. Wow. Kamakura fireworks post. Thank you. Try natin mag-fishing dito mga kasyal. Ayan. Set up muna tayo. Natin. So, set up na tayo mga kasyal. Fishing in Japan. Nasa North Dock po tayo mga kasyal. Try natin kung meron ka agad dito. Yan lang pagpipising dito mga kasyal. Nakakapanibago lang ng konti kasi matagal na tayo hindi nakapunta dito. Panibago. Para may kumagat ah. Fishing. So sa gilid lang po tayo ng mga barko. Sa gilid ng dock. Minsan merong kumahagat dyan eh. Matagal na raw hindi nakapag-fishing yung kaibigan ko dito. Try natin baka may kumagat. Yes! Yung mga bata naglalaro. Medyo malabo yung tubig mga ka-chef. You guys be careful biking. Yan, ganyan lang pagpipishing dito mga ka-chef. Sana mayroong isda. Minsan wala eh. So wala. Let's try over here. You catching ajing?
Aji.
Ah, a lot of catch.
Hmm?
Did you catch anything already? Did you catch fish?
Oh.
How?
10.
Plenty?
10.
Oh, 10? A lot, huh? Can I see? Thank you. This one? Oh, big one. Nice. Good catch. What? So may mga nag-a-aging na sila. Masarap yun na ano, masarap na isda yun. That's a good fish. Yung masarap na isda, aging, parang galunggong na maliit. Ewan ko ang tawag dun sa Tagalog ng aging. Comment na lang po pag alam nyo. Parang ano yun eh, hindi naman siya sapsap. Parang ano rin, galunggong pero ibang klase. Masarap na klase. Comment na lang po down below pag alam nyo kung anong Tagalog ng aging. Medyo yung mga pae nila dyan, mga aging lure, yung may weight, tapos soft lures, yan yung mga gamit nila. Asan na kaya yung body ko? So try natin umikot doon mga ka-chef. On ko na lang pag may oh, there's a lot of jellyfish.
Tina, let me down. Tina, let me tell you what this too. Are you gonna get two? Yeah. No, not two, but more. Ha ha ha! Help!
That's heavy.
Oh, dodge it. Can I see? Can we see? Oh my.
A lot of jellyfish.
I'll be jellyfish out.
Don't touch it, okay? May brand new one daw siya eh. Tignan natin. Malaki. Dami niyang logo. Jigs. Jig. May kumagat eh. Ito. This is it. This is it. Pansit. Yun. Yun oh. Meron pala eh. Yan. Paborito kong lure. Ito yung gamit ko sa una pa. You get stuck.
Just look inside there, bro. See if there's any.
Yeah, I found one already.
Yeah.
Where is it though? Already have it early. Oh, there you go. My favorite lure.
The redhead.
Yeah,
That's a newer one, yeah.
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 You got a little character on it.
Huh?
Some bumps a little bit.
Yeah.
Look like you cast this in on a concrete. Lure na to ano eh, mga $20 siguro isa. May kumakagat kanina eh. Got bite. Hit. May hit. Hoy! Kenan, be careful. You got it? Yeah, but be careful. Don't touch it.
I know.
You're gonna get sting.
I almost went all the way, so I just put my arm.
Yeah, okay. Hold on
And
for
no
a second.
jellyfish were near.
Did you touch it?
No.
Don't
You see the
touch.
white and no jellyfish where it was? I had to grab it. So twist.
Yeah.
I saw more than before.
Yeah, too much jellyfish now.
Now I
Let's put it back.
broke.
Yeah, because this one it'll sting you
Why are they heavy?
because there's water on it.
How do we get water?
Water and jelly.
Water gel?
Hmm.
So does that one jellyfish only?
Yeah,
So it will not be falling down like it happened earlier?
yeah. It's heavy.
I know. See the one earlier I saw 5 and
You caught 5?
yeah, but it didn't.
That's a lot.
move. I know how to do that one. How to do
Just one at a time.
When I got one, put it in a bucket.
Uh-huh. Be careful, don't too much close in the water.
That one.
Yeah, okay.
I know how to release it.
Release it. Don't get too close in the water.
Okay. It's a lion.
Oh, enough na daw yung daddy. Daddy said enough. Daddy said enough.
I know that I will release that jellyfish.
Yeah. It'll sting you.
It's a lion. And I buy a tank with for ginormous. I should that one time a jellyfish.
Oh, really?
It have a one bucket.
One bucket? That's a lot.
If I got one, or for fish, but before my fish died, and it was little. It's Tito Y that I try?
Uh-huh.
That I try? That I try Tito Y in?
This one?
Uh-huh.
No, this is too big for you.
No, I used a big one before.
Oh, really? This one?
Yeah. No, it was different bigger one.
Different, bigger one?
Uh-huh. It was not my size. But I know. But I still,
You need to use the same as your size.
I didn't use a one that not my size.
Oh, really?
I don't want one with a button. I use the one with a button.
With button, yeah.
But now I don't use it.
You don't use the button
I
anymore?
use the one like that.
That's good. Getting used to it.
But I learned. I learned how to use that one.
You know how to use it now?
Huh? Tito Y. What?
Lang tumakasir. Yan. Ganda lang ano. Yokohama na yan eh. Yan. Mga building na yan. Yokohama. Baka hanggang dito lang tayo mga kasir. Alas 11 na ng gabi. So pag hindi tayo nakahuli, that's it. Alright. Next time ulit. Ayan. Na-miss ko na tong place na to. Marami tayong nahuling sea bus dito sa una. Pero ngayon parang di maganda yung tubig eh. So that's what we got tonight. At least not empty-handed. Crabs. Nice. Pakita ko lang yung mga napamili po natin sa Japan. Siyempre, hindi po makukompleto yung trip natin sa Japan kung hindi tayo mamimili ng mga ganito, mga lures, di ba? So, ayan. Pakita lang natin yung mga napamili natin. Mga lures. Tsaka mga beads. Mura lang, mga tag $1 lang isa nito eh. So, yun. Nasa airport na tayo mga ka-share. Going back to Guam from Narita, Japan. Check-in tayo dun sa United Airlines. Yun pala. Yun. Okay. Update ko na lang kayo maya-maya. Hintay-hintay pa tayo mga 2 oras. Okay. Shoot. Yan. Paalis na tayo ng Guam. Paalis na tayo ng Japan pala. Papunta Guam. Okay. Goodbye, Japan. Uy, cute na pala ako. Naisip natin.